divine guidance and blessing as we of the cherished goals and objectives of our hearts, to enlighten our minds and to broaden our understanding and compassion to one another as we carry and pursue our goal and objectives not only on this particular occasion, but seek, keep, and edify our fraternity, everyone, our national brotherhood. All these are divine promises.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit na
sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit ng mga kailan ang tulad awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawag ko'y tagumpay na naghihingin. Ang tuwing at araw niya kailan pa ay matininig. Lumalakalaw ng buwan ating pagsingka, kulay langit sa piling ko. Ang higaya ng pagkay na bakit ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. God we win for country's sake, always strengthen mind and energy. We dedicate eternal love, service to the good of all humanity. For eagles that will be eagles, lost in peace, a noble nation. For eagles that of the people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In this self our human care, we will share our lives to humanity. We're eagles that will be eagles, lost in peace, a noble nation. We're eagles that serve the people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In blessed self of human care, we will share our lives to give our liberty.
Baboy ang ina!
Baboy!
Baboy ang ina!
Baboy!
Baboy ang ina!
Baboy!
Tingnan yung mga baboy!
Sabay!
Charot ba? Charot.
Baboy ang aginan! Baboy! Baboy ang aginan! Baboy! Mga kuya tabi, naalala ulit.